Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show how to add link in Instagram story without 10k followers. So first of all, open your Instagram application, then click on your story, and from here I'm selecting these photos, and now click on this emoji icon and scroll down. Then you will find this link option, click on it, and here you have to paste the URL or link. So I'm pasting our link here, youtube.com, then click on done, and here we can see a link has been added here. And if you want to change the background color and the text color of this link, tap above the link, and here we can see the background color and text color is changing. So I'm giving here, and if you want to make smaller or bigger the link, you can do it. Also you can rotate the link, and once it's done, click on the share icon and click on your story, share, done. And now if I view my story, here we can see a story has been added with a link, and if I click above the link, here we can see a pop-up is showing up here, visit link, and if I click on it, here we can see the link is opened. This is how we can add link in Instagram story without 10k followers. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.